If there's one thing I like to keep on hand in my kitchen, it's tortillas. You can stuff them with anything. And today we're making veggie fajita burritos. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. So this is how I do it. I have 5 of my favorite vegetables. There's some onions and cabbage and cauliflower, green peppers, yellow peppers, and I'm just going to sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of my favorite taco seasoning right on top of them, and I put a little bit of olive oil just to make it stick. Once I get the amount that I want, I'm just going to mix them up with my hand. You can make this however you'd like, whatever your favorite vegetables are. I love cruciferous vegetables. They're so good for you. That's your broccolis and cauliflowers and green leafy vegetables. Cabbage is also in that family. And I make onions with just about everything, so you're always going to find that in there a little bit. So those are the 5 veggies that I'm using. We're going to pop these in the oven on about 400 degrees and cook for around 20 minutes. You're going to see that some cook faster than others, so I learned a real good lesson here. So as you can see, my cabbage and onions cooked very, very fast. So we're going to call those Cajun. Yeah, that's right, Cajun. And the other ones did not cook as fast. But you'll learn which vegetables take more time, and then you'll be able to adjust when you put them in and maybe not have them on the same tray. I should have made them at 2 different times. So once they come out of the oven, we're going to put them all on the same tray, leaving as many Cajun ones as you'd like to the side, and just mix them up, because that is the base of our burritos. They're already seasoned, they already have oil on them, so there's really nothing else you need to do unless you taste it and it needs a little bit more of something, whether it's salt or something like that. But most taco mixes or burrito mixes or fajita mixes have enough sodium in there as already. All we have to do now is just assemble. So I'm going to take a couple spoonfuls of my fajita mix with all of my veggies. It's seasoned, it's nice and warm, some crispiness in there. And then I'm going to begin to layer this on. This is my homemade cheese sauce, which I'll show you in another video, but I love having a little bit of sauciness in most of the things that I eat. I love having corn because corn has a pop of sweetness. It is a grain technically, but it's a vegetable, right? And some black beans. You gotta get your protein in there somewhere. So I try to have some beans or some type of, legume in there. Your favorite salsa, and you're just about finished. I do like to top it off with a green. I encourage you to get a green in every meal you have. And so I'm just using some spinach. Roll up the sides, scoop in the top, and continue to roll. If you want this to stay like that, you could have a hot pan ready. You can put it right down and it'll seal that for you. So there's our quick and easy fajita burrito stuffed with vegetables. I hope you enjoy it.